Hello YouTube! It is Taylor and it is about 11:20 p.m. Someone wanted me to do the sneeze challenge. Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna do that challenge because it's hard for me to sneeze. But sometimes I have weird sneezes, but like seriously, I really don't want to do the sneeze challenge. That's up there with the milk challenge, and I have no idea. There was another challenge, but I forgot. It's like, I don't know. But I'm sorry, I don't want to do the sneeze challenge. But I love you guys. Just keep asking, see what I can do, and I will give a video response or something like that. Yeah. While I'm on here, I don't know what to talk about. So I guess that's just a video response. So, to JB, or JLB, I'm sorry, I got your name wrong. Let me look it up real quick. JB 158T. You. So yeah, I'm sorry, hun. I'm gonna have to pass on that one. So I'll see y'all next time. Bye.